Hi guys, it's me Ronan and welcome to my channel! Okay, today we are going to have a contact lens review. So few months ago, I tried local distributors. So bumili ako sa Shopee ng mga contact lenses made from Korea. So far I got two colors. Right now, what I'm wearing is called Ava Gray. It's supposed to be gray, no? Pero hindi ko alam. Maybe because of my dark brown eyes, yung kinalabasan niya sa akin is kulay blue. So medyo blue siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Medyo dark blue. Medyo bluish yung dating. Supposedly gray siya, tapos brighter siya dun sa picture nung before ko pa siya binili, while I was still searching for the right color for me, or the right color that I like. Nung sinuot ko na siya, medyo subtle lang siya. So if you don't like the dramatic type or the dramatic effect, ito yon. With natural light, hindi siya yung dramatic talaga na parang mapapaganon ka. Ganda pa rin naman yung effect niya. I kinda like it though. But yung binili ko pala dun sa Shopee, I got them with prescription. Kasi, of course, may grado naman talaga yung mata ko. The thing is, I have astigmatism. So, kung gusto mo mag-contact lens tapos may astigmatism ka, you have to expect na talagang hindi siya ganun ka-clear as like wearing your glasses. So medyo may double vision siya pag nagbabasa ka lang naman. Pero if you're wearing it outside, okay lang. If let's say you are working with laptop, hindi siya ganun ka-clear talaga kagaya ng glasses mo. So this is the one, the first one. It's called Ava Gray. Pero yung kinalabasan niya sa akin is blue, dark blue. Very, very subtle lang siya yung effect. Very nice. I kinda like it though. So this is like, if you want to go out, kung lalabas ako, ihat ko lang yung labada ko. Ito yung gamit ko. Instead of magsasalamin, ito lang yung gamit ko. So medyo effect siya ng konti. Diba? Very nice siya. And at the same time, it's very, very comfortable. I think hydrocore inspired yung mga kinuha ko. As you can see, wala siya masyadong limbal ring. May konti pero mafo-fall siya under natural lens. Parang ganon. Ganyan. Right? Dalawa siya actually kinuha ko. The other one is called Apisada Green. Of course, don't worry. I'm gonna put the links on the description box below. So, let's say, kung gusto nyong bumili, go lang. Bumili kayo. Maganda siya. Very comfortable siya. It feels like I don't have anything in my eyes actually right now. It feels like wala akong suot. But then, I think it varies kasi nagsusuot na ako ng lenses ever since. So, sanay na yung mata ko. So, for first timer siguro, of course, medyo uncomfortable. Pero as you go on, masasanay din yung mata mo. Then later on, hindi mo na mapapansin na may suot ka palang contact lenses. So try natin yung Apisada Green. Tatanggalin ko muna to. By the way guys, bumili din ako nito. Kasi naubusan na ako. So nung dumaan ako sa mall, bumili na ako nito. Ito talaga pang malakasan kasi malaki na siya. Dang, malaki na siya. Para pang todo na talaga ito. Hindi ako pabalik-balik. So, ilalagay na muna natin siya sa lalagyan. Hindi siya na puncture. Paano ba ito? Ay, puncture pa siya. I know some of you na nagsusuot na ng mga contact lenses, nahihirapan kung paano siya tanggalin. Actually, nung nagsisimula pa lang din ako, yun yung pinaka-struggle ko. Kung paano siya isuotin, kung paano siya tanggalin. Kanya-kanyang trick lang yan, guys. So ako, I have my own trick. Yan. There. Tanggal na siya. See the difference? On the left side, that's my regular eyes. It's very, very dark. So, dark brown. Sa sobrang dark niya, para na siyang black. No? But you see the difference. Hindi siya ganun ka dramatic or ka bright yung color. But of course, I'm under the light, artificial light. So even though outside, hindi siya ganun ka dramatic. So okay lang siya. Hindi yung napapaganon yung mga nakatingin. Uy! Napapaganon yung mga nakatingin sa'yo. Yeah. So this is how you take this off. Yan, there. Okay, so right now on my left eye, I already put in the Apisada green. So ayan na siya. Ito meron din tong grado. Ito green talaga siya, parang pero meron siya parang limbal ring around. Very, very nice. Ito naman is very bright. So if you are going outside, talagang mapapaganon yung mga medyo mapapatingin yung mga takat. If you really like that na effect na very dramatic, na mapapatingin talaga yung mga tao sa'yo, or mapapatitig talaga yung mga people sa'yo, ganito. This is the lens for you. Charot. Diba green eyes? Wala rin namang mga maniniwalang tao dito. Ito talaga yung tunay kong mata. So, derms. Ayan na siya. So, let's put on the other one. I'll be right back. Okay, so eto na nga. Nilagay ko na yung isa. So, ayan, effect. Diba? Halawa. Ayan. Very green siya. This is called Apisada green. If you want to order na without prescription, pwede naman. Meron naman din doon. Pili lang kayo doon. Hindi naman ako sponsored So I bought this with my own money. Same thing with my Solotica brand. See? It's very, very nice, no? Actually, I like it. How do I look? I like it. Yeah. I really, really like yung bright eyes. So I have an obsession lately with dark skin and bright eyes. That's why sobrang nagpatan talaga ako para pag sinuot ko to, dark skin and bright eyes. So yung iba nagpapaputi ako, nagpapaitim para mas maganda. Yes. So ayan siya. If you want to purchase it, I'll put the links down below. Kayo na bahala. Marami din naman online. Just have to be pumili lang kayo ng maayos. Before you buy, kailangan tingnan nyo yung mga comments, tingnan nyo yung mga reviews, kung maganda ba yung mga nila. These are, I think, these are Korean made, I think. See? Thank you guys for watching. Please comment down below if you have any questions, and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay na ba yan? Okay na. Bye.